Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make the cheapest and the best possible way to make a port for the subwoofer or a speaker box. For this project you would need a PVC pipe. I bought this pipe at around 45 rupees per feet, so which is the cheapest way. And then you need a glass. So the glass should be in such a way that the size of the glass, that at least 25% of the glass should go into the pipe even though it's cold. Okay, like this. And then you would need a room heater or a hair dryer would also do. Please don't do it on the stove, because if you put it on a stove, what happens is this will heat the pipe more than what is required, and the pipe won't stretch out easily, or it won't stretch out properly. So now I have turned on the heater. So you put the glass into the pipe, and then near the heater first heat the glass. Don't heat the pipe directly, start heating the glass like this, and slightly keep on rotating the glass so that it is heated evenly. So once the pipe starts slowly heating up, slowly press the pipe over the glass. So because the glass is in the shape of a cone, even the pipe would stretch out like a cone, so which is a perfect way to have a port. So because a port should stretch out like a cone rather than just having a flattened mouth. I'm turning it evenly so that it's heated evenly. And as and when it's gradually heating, I'm also making sure that I turn the glass slowly, and also I'm also making sure that even the pipe also gets a little bit of heat directly, so that it's easy to mold. So this will take a little bit of time, but yes, the result will be really stunning and beautiful. Actually, the price of a port, if you buy outside, it's not less than 300 to 400 rupees, even for a small 2-inch diameter and 6-inch length one. But with this, you can make out really cheap port and a very beautiful one for a fraction of its price. And instead of a heater, you can also use a hair dryer or any form of other heaters. Please don't use naked flame, because what happens is the naked flame heats the pipe more than what is required, and the result won't come out good. See, I'm gradually heating it, and then I'm gradually turning and rotating, and then I'm gradually pressing it. With each time I press, the shape is coming out more beautifully. So this port I am making is for a speaker box which I am designing at home. So you're also heating the glass, because what happens is when you heat the glass itself rather than just the pipe, so even the inside of the pipe will be hot because of the glass, and then it will be easier for you to mold, and the pipe will easily take the shape rather than bending unnecessarily. So if you look at this, slowly, gradually, I believe you can see that it's taking the shape of a cone, and also I'm flattening out the opening of it so that it comes out in a proper shape. So once the pipe takes the required shape of the port, so please don't remove the glass directly. Keep on pressing it and keep the pressure on it for some time so that the pipe cools out in that shape. If you remove the pipe instantly, what happens is, because the pipe is still hot, it won't take the shape properly. So just keep it there for just say 5 to 10 seconds, and then you can pull the glass out. Now if you look at it, it has taken a proper shape of a cone, and this is as good as any other port that you buy in the market. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.